What's up everybody, Simon here from Sydney and Regional Train Vlog. I'm currently at Hawkesbury River, requested by Michael Grant and Nathan News. Now the party is a Gosford service. Front four cars are H54. And the rear four cars are H31. Next stop for the service will be Wonderbine. There's a tiny little wharf down the steps, and unfortunately I can't take you down there for a walk because of this sign. Wharf is in unsafe condition and it is closed. I don't want to get caught by the station manager. And there's the view of the station facing towards Sydney, and this way is facing towards Newcastle. So here's the view of the other side of the station, and there's a lot more boats here. Hawkesbury River Station is 57 kilometers away from Central Station, and there's the view of the wharf. And sorry if the wind gets in the audio, there's not much I can do about it. We have an Oscar arriving onto platform 2, Gosford service. Front four cars are H23. And the rear four cars are H39. We have a V-set passing platform 1, Central service. The front four cars are V29. And the rear four cars are V2. Next stop for the service will be Hornsby, then Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield, then Central. We have an Explorer passing, bound for Central. We have a V-set passing, Newcastle Interchange service. The front four cars are V30 and the rear four cars are V21. Next stop for the service will be Woy, then followed by Gosford. Just letting you guys know that I'll be taking a break from train spotting because I'll be going to China for Christmas. I'll be away from December the 10th to early January, so I'm sorry if I didn't do all of your requests. I will do them as soon as I get back from China. Meanwhile, we have an Oscar passing, Wyong service. Front four cars are H20. And the rear four cars are H6. Next stop for this service will be Woy. We have an Oscar arriving onto platform 1, Central service. It will stop at Cowan, Brower, Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield, then Central. Front four cars are H45. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Make sure you like, subscribe, and request somewhere for a movie film. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.